Hey animal lovers, today I'm about to blow your mind with some incredible hedgehog facts. These spiky little critters are way more fascinating than you might think. So, let's dive right in. First off, did you know that hedgehogs have between 5,000 to 7,000 quills on their back? Yep, each one is a little needle-sharp defense mechanism, but don't worry, they're not poisonous. They use these quills to curl up into a tight ball, making it tough for predators to get to them. Nature's little armored tanks, right? And here's something super cool. Hedgehogs are actually lactose intolerant. So despite what you might have seen in cartoons, don't give them a bowl of milk. Instead, they enjoy munching on insects, fruits, and even some veggies. Talk about a balanced diet. Now, let's talk about their amazing sense of smell. Hedgehogs rely heavily on their noses to find food. They can sniff out a tasty meal from quite a distance. Imagine having that kind of superpower. Oh, and get this, hedgehogs are nocturnal. That means they're most active during the night. So if you ever keep one as a pet, don't be surprised if you hear them rustling around while you're trying to sleep. A little fun fact for you, there's a term for a group of hedgehogs. It's called an array. But honestly, seeing more than one hedgehog together in the wild is pretty rare. And finally, hedgehogs have some serious longevity for their size. In the wild, they can live up to 5 years, but in captivity, some have been known to live up to 10 years. That's a pretty long time for such a tiny creature. Alright folks, that's it for today's mind-blowing hedgehog facts. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you later.